Hey guys, it's Schuggie here with another cook with me. Today we will be making keto friendly pizza. So I'm gonna make the crust and I'm gonna show y'all how to make the crust so that y'all can make y'all's own crust. It's only about, I don't know, but it's very low carb. So I'll show y'all what I use. Before I show y'all what I use, of course, I need you to go ahead and do a little clicky click with the subscribe button so that you can get an update on every single meal I post. And we can be friends. Best friends. So, here we go. I'm about to show you what we're gonna need. 3/4 cup of almond meal flour, 1 beaten egg. I got about a 1/4 cup of cream cheese. And we're gonna use this whole bag of, this isn't the bag we're using, we need mozzarella. We're gonna top it with the pizza blend cheese, but we're gonna use mozzarella for the actual pizza crust. So boom, some mozzarella. And then I'm going to season my crust with some oregano, some parsley, and a little garlic powder. My oven is already preheated to 425. And then I am going to top my pizza with chipotle chicken. So I used the chicken that we made from the recipe a few days ago on how to make chipotle, and some onions and peppers. And I'm going to put a little bacon bits on my half of the pizza. Pizza sauce, it's low carb. It's about 3 net carbs per 1/4 cup. So here we have it. Say hi, honey. Hello. Yeah, after you say hello. That's honey. He's making his carb-filled pizza. But let's get started. Is to add the full bag of mozzarella cheese to a bowl. And then you're going to also add the cream cheese to the bowl. Once it's in the bowl, you want to put this in the microwave for about a minute because you want to melt all of this, okay? So let's put this in the microwave for a minute and then we'll see what it looks like. That's a big bowl that I have there. We're going to add the almond meal flour and the egg. We're going to put it in the microwave again for about 30 more seconds. And then we'll transfer it. When you transfer it, you want to make sure your hands are wet because it's really sticky with cheese. And we don't want to get it on our fingers. We're going to get it on our fingers anyway, but it's easier to wet your hands. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah. We got to work fast with this one. We need to stir this up. Then we're going to add the egg and the almond flour. Alright, I'm putting this back in the oven because it's a little bit, the microwave, because it's a little bit hard. So it's going to be tough to deal with when we need to make a dough out of this. But see how it's doughy? That's what we want. Just wet my hands because we're about to put this out, pull this out of the oven. And we need to be able to mold it. Alright. So it looks like this right now. And I'm about to just transfer it onto my pizza pan. Parchment paper for this. So my pizza pan is looking like this. Laid out on the paper, and I'm about to spread it out like this and kind of just move it around. Make sure there aren't any like holes or any thin parts. And if there are, you kind of just want to cover it and go back over it. This is going to spread it out some. My pizza's a little bit thin on this end, so I'm just trying to spread it out. But that's how you set your dough. So now that my dough is set, I'm going to season it poke some holes in it so that it doesn't rise while it's in the oven. And then I'll put it in the oven for about 6 minutes. Boom! As you can see, you might not be able to see the holes, but this has been seasoned really nicely with some garlic and some parsley and some oregano. And now I'm gonna put this in the oven for 6 minutes, take it out, and then I'll top it. All right, let's pull this baby out. Hey baby, look at there. How are you? So it looks like they with some deliciousness. A little sauce. I like to put cheese at the bottom of my pizza so that all my ingredients kind of stick together. So put a little cheese at the bottom. Did you want more chicken? No, you have a little bit. What? This is for me and mom. Sure. I'm gonna add some queso cheese. What it looks like now. I'm gonna put it back in the oven until everything is melted and bubbly. Then I'm gonna pull it out. Look at it. Alright, you guys, we are gonna pull our pizza out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. So this is it, y'all. That's how you make a low carb pizza crust. I will put the carb count in my description because I'm not sure. Once I add it up, I'll let y'all know. But it looks so good, don't it? Alright. If y'all want to see any more low carb foods, just let me know and I'll make it for you. Have a good day.